to him then.
How you gonna do it, man? Do it natural, man. Oh, natural. That's right.
Oh, that food was nice.
Yeah, mashallah, that was really nice. Never eaten from this place before. Thanks, bro.
Don't worry about it, it's nothing.
Yeah, nice way to introduce yourself to the neighborhood, man. Don't blame us if you come around here unannounced every now and again, though.
You guys are always welcome, anytime.
Yeah, by the way, mashallah, you got a really nice place here.
Alhamdulillah. Would you guys like anything else? Or?
No, I'm okay. Jazakallah khair. You've done too much already.
You know, can I get a glass of water, please, bro? Yeah, of course. Thanks, man.
He's a nice guy, mashallah.
Yeah, he's alright.
This house is massive. This guy must be loaded.
Yeah, he's an accountant.
Yeah, accountant. Don't know what kind of accountant he is. Must be an accountant for the local drug lord or something.
Guys, come on, let's not talk about the brother like that. He's invited us to his home.
I'm only joking, man. Relax.
Look, he's either a drug lord or he's doing a sophisticated tax evasion.
Yeah. I don't know why he's invited us around, though. Must be a proper loner, right?
I know, man. He looks weird. He looks like one of those serial killer type of people.
Yeah. You know, like he's in his own world most of the time, man. Don't know what planet he's on.
Guys, come on, you're backbiting the brother.
Oh, Maulvi Saab, it's a joke. Relax.
Yeah, man. He can't hear us anyway.
Yeah, he's gone to get me some water, so I'll be his friend. Anyway, you got work tomorrow?
Yeah, man. I got an early start in the morning tomorrow.
Yeah, how's it going over there?
I've been there for too long, man. I feel like I'm part of the furniture. I just need a new job. It's not challenging me no more, man.
Yeah. You started looking around? Man? Me? I'm in London in the week, you know. Oh, thanks, bro. Superstar. Yeah, it's alright, you know. Does the job. Can't complain.
Yeah, I think we all need a new career, a new job and everything.
Okay, guys, we're going to make a move. It's getting late.
Yeah, we're going to leave too. Once again, Jazakallah khair for the food.
Well,
It was nice meeting you, and we should do this again sometime.
Definitely,
inshallah.
definitely.
Assalamu
See you
alaikum.
soon, inshallah.
Well, nice to meet you. Jazakallah khair.
Take care, man.
Inshallah.
It's nice seeing you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Oh, before you two go, we've got something for you. This is for you.
What's this for?
I owe it to you.
Oh, what? We just met you today. You feeling alright, bro?
It's compensation
Compensation.
for what I took from you.
What'd you take from us?
Your good deeds.
Our good deeds. How?
When you was talking about me.
How do you mean?
When someone backbites you, you take their good deeds and their judgment. Assalamu alaikum.